Hey everyone, welcome back to Podcast by MrB. I'm Mr. B.
And I'm Anna. We're so excited you're here today.
Anna, you know what happened to me yesterday? I was at a coffee shop and someone asked me, "What do you like to do?" And I completely froze. I just said, things?
Things? That's so vague.
I know, I felt so embarrassed, but then I realized this is one of the most common questions in English, and so many learners don't know how to answer it naturally. So today, we're going to teach you exactly how to talk about your hobbies and interests like a native speaker. Plus, I'll reveal the one mistake that makes you sound like a robot instead of a real person.
Ooh, I want to know that mistake. Okay, everyone, let's talk about hobbies and what you like to do.
Yes, this is such an important topic because when you meet new people, they always ask, "What do you like to do?" or "What are your hobbies?"
So true. It's like the second or third question after what's your name and where you're from.
Exactly. So, Anna, let me ask you right now, what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, I love reading books, especially mystery novels. I can read for hours and hours.
See? That's a perfect answer. You said, "I love reading," not "I love to read" or "I love read." Notice the ing form.
Oh, that's important. We say, I love reading, I enjoy cooking, I like swimming.
Exactly. This is super important, everyone. After verbs like, love, enjoy, and hate, we use the ing form. So it's I like playing football, not I like play football.
That's the robot mistake, isn't it? When people say, I like play football?
Yes, that's exactly it. It sounds unnatural and robotic. Always use ing.
Okay, so we have like, love, enjoy, and hate. Can you give examples of each?
Sure, let's practice. I like watching movies. This means you think it's good, it's nice, you have a positive feeling.
What about love?
I love playing guitar. This is stronger than like. It means you really enjoy it. It makes you very happy.
And enjoy?
I enjoy cooking on weekends. This is similar to like, but sounds a bit more formal or sophisticated.
What about hate? That's negative, right?
Yes, I hate doing laundry. This means you really don't like it at all. It's the opposite of love.
I hate doing laundry too. It's so boring.
See? You just used it naturally. I hate doing laundry. Perfect.
Okay, so we know how to use these verbs, but what hobbies can we talk about? Give us some ideas.
Great question. Let's start with common indoor activities. You can say, I like reading books. I enjoy watching TV shows. I love playing video games. Or I like listening to music.
Those are all things we do inside the house.
Exactly. What about you, Anna? What indoor hobbies do you have besides reading?
Well, I love cooking. I try new recipes every weekend.
Ooh, what kind of food do you like cooking?
I love cooking Italian food. Pasta, pizza, risotto, so delicious.
Now I'm hungry. Okay, what about outdoor activities, things you do outside?
Oh, like sports?
Yes, you can say, I like playing football. I enjoy playing basketball. I love going for walks. Or I like riding my bike.
What sports do you like, Mr. B?
I'm not very sporty, to be honest, but I like going to the gym sometimes, and I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Hiking? That sounds fun. So we can say, I like hiking or I enjoy hiking?
Exactly. Both are correct. Now, here's another useful pattern. You can also say, I like to go hiking with the to plus base verb.
Wait, what? I thought you said we always use ing.
Good catch. Here's the rule. After like, love, and hate, you can use either ing or to plus verb. Both are correct.
So I like reading and I like to read are both okay.
Yes, both are perfect. I love swimming or I love to swim, both work.
Oh, but what about enjoy? Can we say I enjoy to cook?
No. Great question. Enjoy is different. You can only say, I enjoy cooking, never, I enjoy to cook. That's wrong.
Okay, so enjoy must use ing, but like and love can use either.
Perfect, you got it. Let me test you. Is this correct? I enjoy to play tennis.
No, it should be I enjoy playing tennis.
Excellent. Now is this correct? I like to watch movies.
Yes, that's correct. And I like watching movies is also correct.
Perfect. You're a natural teacher, Anna.
Thanks. Okay, what other hobbies can people talk about?
So many. Creative hobbies are really popular. You can say, I like painting, I enjoy drawing, I love taking photos, or I like playing music.
What instrument do you play, Mr. B?
I used to play guitar when I was younger, but now I'm very rusty.
Rusty, what does that mean?
Rusty means you used to be good at something, but you haven't practiced in a long time, so now you're not very good anymore.
Oh, like a metal that gets rusty when it's old and not used.
Exactly. So I can say, my guitar skills are rusty, or I'm rusty at playing guitar.
That's a fun expression. What about other hobbies, like collecting things?
Yes, some people love collecting. I like collecting stamps, I enjoy collecting coins, I love collecting sneakers.
Collecting sneakers? Is that a real hobby?
Oh yes, some people have hundreds of pairs of sneakers. It's a huge hobby.
Wow, that's expensive.
Very expensive. Okay, what about relaxing hobbies? Things people do to relax.
Oh, like I like meditating or I enjoy doing yoga.
Perfect examples. You can also say, I like taking baths, I enjoy listening to podcasts, or I love watching the sunset.
Watching the sunset, that's so peaceful.
Right? Now, here's an important question. What if someone asks, what do you do for fun? Is that different from what do you like to do?
Good question. Are they the same?
They're very similar. What do you do for fun and what do you like to do mean almost the same thing. You can answer the same way.
So if someone asks, what do you do for fun? I can say, I like reading books.
Exactly. Or you can say, I read books, or I usually read books in my free time. All of these are great answers.
What about what are your hobbies? Is that different?
Same thing. What are your hobbies is asking the same question. You can answer, my hobbies are reading and cooking, or I like reading and cooking.
So these three questions all mean basically the same thing.
Yes. What do you like to do? What do you do for fun? And what are your hobbies? All similar things.
That's helpful. Now, what if we don't like something? How do we say that?
Good question. You can say, I don't like watching horror movies, or I'm not a big fan of running.
I'm not a big fan sounds more polite than I hate.
Exactly. I hate is very strong. If you want to be more polite, say, I'm not really into it, or it's not my thing.
Oh, those sound so natural. Can you give examples?
Sure. Someone asks, do you like playing video games? You can say, not really, it's not my thing, or I'm not really into video games.
That's much more polite than saying I hate video games.
Right. Save hate for things you really don't like.
Okay, let's practice some conversations. Ask me about my hobbies.
All right. Anna, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading mystery novels. I also enjoy cooking Italian food, and I like going for walks in the park on sunny days.
Perfect answer. See how she gave 3 different hobbies? That makes the conversation more interesting.
Your turn. Mr. B, what are your hobbies?
Well, I enjoy going to the gym to stay healthy. I like watching documentaries about history and science, and I love traveling to new places when I have time.
Great answer. Okay, everyone listening, it's your turn to practice. Mr. B, ask them a question.
Okay, everyone, imagine I'm asking you right now, what do you like to do for fun?
Think about your answer. What are your hobbies? Say it out loud.
Don't just think it, actually say it. Practice speaking. You can say, I like doing, or I love doing, or I enjoy doing.
And remember to use ing. I like playing, not I like play.
Exactly. Okay, let's give everyone some more useful phrases. What if your hobby is spending time with people?
Oh, you can say, I like hanging out with friends, or I enjoy spending time with my family.
Perfect. Hanging out is a very casual, natural phrase. It means spending relaxed time together.
What about online activities like social media?
You can say, I like scrolling through Instagram, or I enjoy watching YouTube videos, or I like chatting with friends online.
So many modern hobbies.
Yes, hobbies change with technology. 20 years ago, nobody said, I like scrolling through Instagram because Instagram didn't exist.
That's true. What about learning hobbies, like learning languages?
Great point. You can say, I enjoy learning English, or I like studying new languages, or I love learning about different cultures.
And people watching this video can say, I like practicing English with Podcast by MrB.
Yeah, I love that. Yes, that's a great hobby.
Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick recap of the most important points.
Perfect idea. Number 1, after like, love, and hate, you can use ing or to plus verb. Both are correct.
Number 2, after enjoy, you can only use ing, never to plus verb.
Number 3, what do you like to do? What do you do for fun? And what are your hobbies? All mean the same thing.
Number 4, use I'm not really into it or it's not my thing to politely say you don't like something.
And number 5, always give 2 to 3 examples of your hobbies to make the conversation more interesting.
Excellent recap. Okay, everyone, now it's time for you to practice.
Yes, go to the comments right now and answer this question. What do you like to do in your free time?
Write in English. Use the phrases we taught you today. Say, I like, or I love, or I enjoy.
Give us at least 2 hobbies. For example, I like reading books, and I enjoy playing basketball.
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just practice. We read every comment and will reply to help you.
And if you learned something useful today, like how to talk about your hobbies naturally, hit that like button.
Yes, give us a thumbs up. These phrases will help you make friends and have better conversations in English.
And subscribe to Podcast by MrB for more fun, practical English lessons every week.
We teach real English conversation, not boring textbook stuff.
Every episode is like hanging out with friends who happen to teach you English.
So remember, like, comment with your hobbies, and subscribe.
Now go practice. Next time someone asks, what do you like to do? You'll have the perfect answer.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. Have fun with your hobbies.
Bye.